Have you heard of this new way of dropshipping with Walmart? Well, if you're looking for a new profitable way of dropshipping, this might be the perfect opportunity for you because it's still very underrated. The best part of dropshipping is the freedom to work from anywhere, make money while you sleep, and live the lifestyle you've always dreamt of. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping with Walmart. From setting up your Walmart account to sourcing products and managing orders, I've got you covered. Plus, I'm going to share tips that helped me make sales in just 1 week using social media. My name is Ritu and I make videos on business and finance. I really want to keep producing these type of videos, so if you can just help me out by give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more business related videos. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about what exactly dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't have the inventory. Instead, you purchase the item from a supplier who ships it directly to your customer. This means you don't have to worry about inventory costs, storing the items, shipping logistics, and all the other headaches that come with a retail business. There are so many benefits of dropshipping. Low startup costs, no need for inventory management, and the ability to offer a wide range of products. It's the perfect business model for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start a business with minimal risk. If you're nervous about starting a business or you just don't know how, check out my business mentorship. It's going to be linked down below. So if you're wondering why would I want to sell on Walmart? Well, Walmart's selling platform known as Walmart Marketplace provides an excellent opportunity for third-party sellers like us. We can reach millions of customers through one of the largest retail chains in the world. As a marketplace seller, you can leverage their massive loyal customer base and their platform to grow your business. The platform really has everything you need to start a business, and you'll see how easy it is to use it. If you're wondering why Walmart is now allowing third-party sellers on their platform, it's because they're really trying to step up their game to compete with Amazon. Their goal is to have more products to choose from. We all know that Amazon literally carries everything that we could ever need, and they want to be just like Amazon. Plus, Walmart's prices are super competitive. They've also got the advantage of their physical stores, making it easy for people to pick up items in person or return them, which is big for people that don't like dealing with everything completely online. They've also been investing heavily in their delivery services and even started Walmart Plus, which is kind of like Amazon Prime. With all these moves, Walmart is seriously becoming a competitor in the online shopping world, giving Amazon a real run for its money. Before I show you how to start, I just want to let you know that you don't absolutely have to dropship on Walmart. You can also order the items, have them in your house as inventory, and ship them out yourself. I just think it's way easier to dropship, meaning that the supplier will ship out the items to your customer directly, but it's totally up to you. Both options are possible, and it just depends on what you want to do. This video is really an introduction to how you can start dropshipping with Walmart, so it's going to cover a lot of information. If you have any questions throughout the video, feel free to comment them down below. And if you've been enjoying this video so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more business related videos. So first, let's talk about sourcing products. You'll need to find reliable suppliers who can provide high quality products. Platforms like Alibaba, Salehu, and Oberlo are a great place to start. But really, don't just limit yourself to these platforms. You can also look for suppliers on other marketplaces or even contact manufacturers directly on Alibaba. When reaching out to suppliers, introduce yourself professionally and make sure to explain your business model. Tell them you're looking to dropship through Walmart. You want to be as specific as possible because they are pros at doing this. They know exactly what works on platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and so on. They know, for example, that Walmart is known for being affordable but also have the quality there. So they might propose a B grade product versus a A grade product for Walmart. If you don't know what product grade is, think of it like grading at school. The higher the grade, the better the quality. But of course, the higher the grade, the more costly it's going to be. It's something very much so used on Asian platforms like Alibaba. Some other questions you need to ask the supplier is their product catalog, shipping times, return policies, and how they handle damaged or defective products. Make sure to verify supplier reliability by checking reviews and ratings. Look for suppliers who have a good track record and offer fast shipping times. It's also important to video chat with potential suppliers to ensure they can meet your business needs. It's really important to establish a good relationship with your suppliers. It can lead to better deals and smoother transactions. When choosing products, I would either focus on trending products or products in high demand. Some of the top sellers on Walmart Marketplace are selling portable Bluetooth speakers, LED light strips, fitness-resistant bands, and kitchen gadgets. As you can see, the LED light strips are more on the trendier side, but the other items are generally high in demand. A lot of people need speakers, fitness equipment, and kitchen stuff. I myself would look for these items on Walmart first, so I understand why people do well selling them. If you don't know what to sell, start with a niche you're passionate about. Research your niche thoroughly to understand what customers are looking for and what gaps you can fill in the market. For example, if people are complaining a lot about a certain resistance band, but it still has a lot of sales, identify the market pain and see how you can enter the market with a better version of that item. When it comes to product research, there are a few strategies you can use to find the best products for you. One method is to use product research tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Zik Analytics. These tools can help you identify trending products, analyze competition, and estimate potential profits. Another effective strategy is to look at Walmart's best sellers and trending products. Visit Walmart's website and browse through different categories to see what products are currently popular. Pay attention to customer review and ratings to get an idea of what customers like and dislike about these products. That's how you're going to identify a market pain. You can also use Google Trends to identify trending products and search terms. This tool allows you to see how search interest for a particular product has changed over time. By identifying rising trends early, you can capitalize on new opportunities before they become saturated. Once you've identified a list of potential items, it's important to now validate the demand of these items. One way to do this is by checking the product's sale history on e-commerce platforms like eBay and Amazon. Look for products with consistent sales and positive customer feedback. Avoid items with poor reviews and frequent returns. Once you've chosen an item or multiple items and you've sourced them, it's now time to list them on Walmart's marketplace. In order to do that, you need to set up your Walmart seller account. Go to the seller's registration page and start by filling out your personal and business details. Make sure to use a professional email address and have your business documents ready for verification. These documents typically include your business license, tax ID, and bank account information. It's really important for all the information to be accurate or else you're going to have a lot of delays. After verification, you can start setting up your store. I recommend customizing your store's profile with your branding elements to make it look professional and appealing to potential customers. This is an example of a seller that's doing a great job. This includes adding a logo, a banner, and a detailed description of your business. Now make sure your branding is consistent across all platforms to build trust with your customers. Make sure you use high quality images and a clear, concise description that tells customers who you are and what your store offers. These little details really matter for customers, so don't rush through this process. When listing an item, start by creating clear and descriptive titles. For example, instead of Bluetooth speaker, use portable Bluetooth speaker with HD sound and long battery life. If it's waterproof, make sure to put it in there. Your titles should be compelling and include keywords that customers are likely to search for. Keywords are crucial for improving your product's visibility in Walmart's search results. Write detailed and enticing product descriptions that highlight the key features and benefits. Your description needs to be very SEO friendly. To optimize your product's listings for better visibility and conversions, use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify relevant keywords to your products. Incorporate these keywords as much as you can naturally into your titles, description, and tags. Another key element of a successful product listing is customer reviews. Encourage your customers to leave reviews by following up with them after their purchase and providing excellent customer support. Positive reviews can significantly boost your credibility and increase your chances of making a sale. Next up, pricing, and this is crucial. You have to set competitive prices that attract customers while ensuring you make a profit. Use tools like Walmart's pricing analytics to see what similar products are selling for and adjust your prices accordingly. Don't forget to factor in costs like shipping and transaction fees when setting your prices. It's a good idea to have a pricing strategy that includes regular promotions and discounts to attract more buyers, especially on a platform like Walmart. Consider using psychological pricing strategies to make your prices more attractive. For example, pricing a product at $19.99 instead of $20 can make it seem more affordable. When it comes to pricing your products, you also need to take into account the Walmart Marketplace fees. There is no monthly subscription fee to use the platform. Instead, you have a referral fee. This fee is a percentage of the item's sale price and varies by category, typically ranging from 6 to 20%. Sellers Sellers are also responsible for shipping costs, so you also need to take that in consideration. Managing your orders efficiently is the key to success when it comes to dropshipping. You need to monitor your seller's dashboard regularly for new orders. Once you receive an order, place the order with your supplier and provide the customer's details for direct shipping. This is what dropshipping is. Make sure you keep track of all orders to ensure they're fulfilled on time. Use an order management system if necessary to keep everything organized. Now, you as a seller, you can choose your shipping methods, time, and set shipping rates. However, you are kind of working for Walmart in a way, which means you need to respect their business model. Walmart expects timely and reliable delivery service, and the better you are with fulfilling orders, the more you will get rewarded to things like Walmart's 2-day delivery program. This can really enhance visibility and sales, but if your shipping is delayed or problematic, not only are they going to shadow ban your product, you can also even get kicked out of their platform. I don't recommend having a shipping time of more than a week, but many sellers on Walmart have 3 weeks plus delays. But we are trying to build a successful business model, so we want to be better than existing sellers. Even if you have fast shipping methods, make sure you provide tracking information to your customers to keep them updated on their status. Remember, although your supplier is shipping out the items, you're still responsible for communication with your clients. Good communication is essential for customer satisfaction. Make sure to send them regular updates about their order status and address any issues promptly. Consider even automating some of these communications to ensure timely updates. Customer service is also important. You need to respond to customers' inquiries and handle returns and refunds professionally. Remember, a happy customer is likely to become a repeat customer and recommend your stores to others. So at this point, your seller dashboard has been set up and your products are listed. So what's next? Well, now you need to market your products so you can get sales. The free methods I like to use to market my products online are social media, email marketing, and SEO. You really need to create engaging content that showcases your products and encourages people to visit your store. You can have the links up in your social media bios, and since you're going to be selling on Walmart, you already have at least some of the leads' trust because Walmart is a trusted platform. With all the branding and images, you are also boosting the leads' trust in you and your product. If you have the budget, I highly recommend testing out Walmart's advertising services, such as sponsored products or display ads. I think it's worth a shot, but you don't have to. I tested out dropshipping with Walmart for just 1 week and I made a few sales online using social media. No paid ads, just organic reach. It just goes to show the power of a strong online presence. I did not market the items on my social media platform, so no, I didn't pull any of this from my followers. What I did is on different social media platforms, I created videos to show the products in action. My favorite platform for doing this is Pinterest and TikTok. I also like Facebook and Instagram, but the reach is more difficult in my opinion. The videos didn't even get 100 views despite posting consistently, but on Pinterest and TikTok, I had a few videos go viral. The best thing is I did not create the content. Instead, I asked the supplier to send me a few videos and the products in action. I just did this for 1 week and I just wanted to test out the platform itself, and making this kind of money passively is just honestly one of the best things you can do online. I'm gonna keep going just for fun and just see how much I can make. The other thing I did is to check my store's performance using Walmart's analytic tools. I adjusted my strategies based on the data insight I gathered. For example, if I had clients that would put items in their carts but didn't place the order, I tried to reach out to them and offer them a discount to encourage them to place the order. Once I have more orders, I am going to pay more attention to metrics like conversion rates, average order value, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvements. One thing I really recommend is staying updated with Walmart's policies and market trends. Join dropshipping communities to get support and advice from other sellers. Participate in forums, webinars, and workshops to learn from others and stay ahead of the competition. The potential is really limitless if you stay dedicated and keep learning, especially on this platform since it's very much underrated. And if this works out for you, you can also consider eventually selling on Amazon or on your own website where you can make a lot more money since the fees are lower. And there you have it. You now know how to source your products, list the items, and market your store. I know this was a lot of information, but I just hope you got a general overview on how you can sell on Walmart. There's such a big opportunity here and I hope you see it and you learn more about it because I really don't hear a lot of people selling on Walmart. This was just an introduction video, so make sure to subscribe for future videos on this topic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!